Somebody asked me a really important question about a pattern from a previous video, and it had to do with multiplication when you have certain powers of 10. It was 70 times 40. So here we have 7 times 4, which if you skip count, 7, 14, 21, 28, 7 4 times is 28. Now if I change 7 to 70, 70 is 10 times as much as 7. So that bears out because 74 times is 70, 140, 210, 280, 10 times as much. Now if I have 70 times 40, each of these factors is 10 times more than those two factors. So 10 times 10 is 100. So therefore, I can look at 7 and 4, multiply those, but recognize that the final solution is 2800 because it's 100 times more. So it's like 28 times 100. So this is what I'm saying. All of these expressions are ways of thinking about 50 times 60. I'm saying that you can look at 50 as 5 times 10, 60 as 6 times 10, and then I can rearrange the factors and know 5 times 6 times 10 times 10 is equivalent to this expression. And then I can think 5 times 6 times 100 because 10 times 10 is 100, and 5 times 6 is 30, and 30 times 100 is 3,000, which is the same product all the way through. Interesting thing is 50 became 100 and 60 became 30. In a big video that I had that got over 1 million views, I just called it doubling and halving. It happened here organically. One reason to focus so much on these zeros and these powers of 10 is because we operate in a base 10 power system. That's where our place values come from. So eventually in middle school, you're going to be dealing with exponents. And so many kids have a hard time knowing that this is 10 times 10 and not just 10 times 2. So it's like everything is connected. And if you can use exponents early and often, they won't get confused by exponents when they get older. If you have any questions, let me know.